spectacular designs. The Water Kit is the first product we designed in collaboration with teachers like you, and it's the most versatile of our products. It's being used from upper elementary through college classes, from physical science to biology to chemistry. Our water molecules have embedded magnets that allow your students to discover hydrogen bonds and covalent bonds along with ionic bonds. They can really feel those differences. With the Water Kit, your students will be able to discover physical and chemical properties of water, including states of matter, water cycle and snowflake models, surface tension, adhesion and cohesion, capillary action with transpiration, polar and nonpolar, solubility, osmosis and hypotonic, hypertonic, and equilibrium solutions, pH and neutralization reactions. Each cup of water comes with 12 water molecules, a pair of sodium chloride ions, and ethane that you can change into ethanol. Each cup has all the parts that a group needs to do all of the activities, and we recommend 2 to 4 students per group. A great teacher tip: to ensure you get all the parts back, teach your students to make an ice model, and then they can form a snowflake as they leave the class. This way you make sure you get all the parts back. Teacher resources are available on our website, along with some new digital Water Kit activities. The Water Student Modeling Pack is available for individualized student modeling. We would love to meet with you virtually and to show you more about the Water Kit. Contact us with your questions or to set up a meeting. Happy modeling!